Hey guys, welcome to Code My Hobby. And like in the previous class, I told you that coding was quite fun. So I'm going to show you some 10 cool things you can do with coding. They are very easy and it's really cool. So check them out. Starting off from number 10. Not the really hard stuff. You just have the smoke video, then you have this text here. The text has a transparent background, that's why the video is able to play like that. Then number 9, we have this. It's a really cool stuff you can do for you can use it for festive seasons like Ramadan, Christmas, New Year, Easter, and you can even use it for someone as a birthday gift. So it's really cool. I would advise you to try it. If you don't know how to do this, no problem. I'll be making video tutorials on how to do stuff like this. So it's a really cool stuff you can add to your website, and it's very responsive. Let me show you that real quick. You can see how responsive it is. It can work on any device. Let's put it to test Galaxy S5. This is how to look on Galaxy S5. Let's check iPad. This is how to look on iPad. So you can see it's very responsive. It's just a really cool stuff you can add to your website if you're building a website. So on to number 7. Here you have this really dope Apple navigation bar. You can see it's just like Apple exactly. It just has a little transition. That's why this search an app is like delaying a bit. It's a really cool stuff. I'll also be explaining how to do this one on my channel. Then on to number. This is a really cool website. I actually built this when I was just practicing. Yes, I wasn't so good here, but I just added some cool features there. You can see this search bar. It's really cool. So on to number 5, we have this. This was actually my project. It's a really cool, and it's a really cool website. Yeah, it took a lot of time to do, but no problem. I can show you guys how to do this. Just subscribe to my channel and I'll be showing you guys really cool stuff. You can see the it's a slider. Yes, when you click on this join us, it takes you to another page. Yeah, you can, if you are already a member of the company, you just sign in here with your email. Let's put that to test. Hey, that's email gmail.com and password. Yeah, so it's a really cool stuff. But if you're not a member, if you want to sign in, just click sign up and you create an account with them. So this was actually my project. Let me show you more about the website. This is the about page. Really cool. I added animation to this. I'll be teaching you guys. If you already know how to do this, no problem, but if you don't know how to do this, no problem at all. I'll be teaching you guys how to do stuff like this. Really cool. You can see this. Yeah, not so difficult, just takes time and dedication. And stick with me guys, and I promise you get all this stuff. It's really easy. And the contact page, super cool stuff. So on to number 4, we have the school website. Really cool. Nothing much really, but it's really dope and quite responsive. You can use it on any device. It can work on any device. as you can see. Let me reload the page for you. It's a really cool website. Then on to, yes, this is actually quite complicated because it includes JavaScript, but that doesn't mean it's not easy. We'll be trying stuff like this. It's a calculator. Yes. Then number two, yes, this is actually quite complicated because it includes JavaScript, but that doesn't mean it's not easy. We'll be trying stuff like this. It's a calculator. Yes. Number two is this text design. It's really cool. You can use it as like a birthday decoration stuff. So it's really cool. And application is a simple notepad. You can edit, you can add, let's try this color. Select color. I'll pick blue. As you can see, the text color changed. Let's add font size to it. Enter your number. I'll add 50. You can see, yeah, really cool stuff you can do with coding. Stay with me, guys, and I'll teach you guys all this stuff. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel and stay safe, guys. Maintain the distance and make sure you use hand sanitizers and wash your hands regularly. Goodbye.